Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical and rewarding. How to donate clothes to Goodwill in 2025. With the new year bringing updated processes, it's easier than ever to make a difference while decluttering your closet. Let's get started. First things first, why donate? Well, not only does it free up space in your home, but it also helps people in need, reduces waste, and even offers tax benefits. Plus, in 2025, Goodwill has streamlined their system with tech upgrades, making the process smoother than ever. Step 1. Gather your clothes. Go through your wardrobe and pull out items you no longer wear. Think gently used shirts, pants, jackets, anything in good condition. Remember, Goodwill accepts clean, wearable items, so sort through and set aside anything damaged. Step 2. Prepare your donation. Wash and fold the clothes to ensure they're donation ready. In 2025, you can use the Goodwill app to scan items and get instant feedback on whether they'll be accepted. Pretty cool, right? This helps avoid any surprises at drop-off. Step 3. Find a location. Head to the Goodwill website or app, where you'll find a locator tool with real-time availability. Many centers now offer scheduled drop-offs to beat the crowds, especially in busy areas. If you're in a rush, some locations even have drive-through options. Step 4. Drop off your donation. Bring your bagged clothes to the center, and a staff member will assist you. Don't forget to get a receipt, it counts as a tax deduction. For those in supported areas, Goodwill's new pickup service lets you schedule a contactless collection right from your doorstep. Finally, a few tips. Always check for local guidelines, as policies might vary. Donating feels great and supports sustainability efforts. If you're new to this, start small, it's all about building the habit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living sustainably. What's your favorite way to give back? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time.